welcome to Universal's Aventura Hotel.
Hi, welcome to Coconut and Laptop Life with Christy Evers.
Owner of Happily Evers After Vacations, your vacation, retreat, and conference specialist, and your Universal Studios specialist too.
Where I'm in Orlando at Universal Studios Aventura Hotel.
Located next to Sapphire Falls Resort at 600 rooms, it's Universal's smallest on-site property, but there's still plenty of places to dine, shop, and play.
See right behind me is Volcano Bay. One of the best water parks in Orlando, but in the world.
Aventura offers free shuttle service to the Universal Parks, which is only a few minutes drive away. While Aventura Hotel is Universal's most economical on-site property, it's not lacking in comfort, quality, or style. Now come along, keep up with me. Let's go check out the room. Ooh, look at this fancy-dancy high-tech elevator. I love these personalized key cards you can keep as a souvenir. Welcome to a tour of a standard king room. Even the rooms are modern and high-tech. This iPad pretty much controls everything in the room. We played with the light so much, we were pretty much practically having our own disco dance party. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bow, 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 bow. You can watch what? YouTube videos. Cabana Bay Beach Club is directly across the street, where you're welcome to use their facilities such as their bowling alley, their 2 pools, and their lazy river. Now let's get back to our room tour. I really like how they have this separate area so that one person can use the sink while somebody else can be in the bathroom using the shower and toilet. That's a really nice feature for families. Let's go check out what other things there are to do at the hotel. They do have a very lovely pool. And if you want to mix it up a little bit, don't forget you can use the 2 pools and the lazy river over at Cabana Bay. On those cooler nights, you can cozy up by the fire pit. Oh, and you have to see one of the most unique amenities of this property. They are the only Universal's property to have a virtual reality game room. So how much does it cost for somebody to do this?
It is $5.33 per session. That allows you to pick one out of the 7 games that we do offer. And you play that for approximately 8 to 10 minutes.
Oh, nice. That's actually pretty reasonable. What games do you have?
We do have 7 options to choose from. Okay. So we have a list for Ninja, Space Pirate Trainer, Vortex, Zombie Training Simulator, Mary Snowballs, Audio Shield, and
And of course, gaming choices are subject to change. There is a Universal Studios store right on property, so don't worry if you forget to pick up something at the parks, you're probably going to be able to find it in this store. So you may be wondering about what the benefits are about staying at a Universal Studios property, so let's go over this while we browse through the store. So we've already talked about some of the benefits of location, like how you can use the facilities at Cabana Bay, how you're directly across the street from Volcano Bay, but you can also get your free shuttle service to the parks. Also, you get early park admission to Volcano Bay and Universal Studios, as well as resort-wide charging privileges, and also free merchandise delivery. That means you can purchase your merchandise at Universal Studios and have it delivered free of charge to your room. There's complimentary City Walk access to select venues. Use your room key as your party pass. And if you decide you want to do some exploring and rent a car, you're in luck. They have a car rental booth right on site. They have a really nice sized workout room so you can keep up your workout routine. With a great variety of meal choices, like the sushi bar. So our plane got in pretty late, so there weren't a lot of choices available. There was just a spicy tuna that was left, but I was really in the mood for sushi, so I got it anyway. I was a little bit skeptical, but oh my gosh, it was so good. And I don't remember what this was that my daughter got, but I took some from her, and this was fabulous too, so 2 thumbs up. There's a station for some grab and go items, burgers and sandwiches, and don't worry, my healthy-minded people, they have a great selection of salads and wraps too. There's plenty of seating, and don't worry, there's microwaves downstairs too, even though there's none in the rooms. Check out their gelato selection. Yummy. And right next to the gelato is the very popular pizza station. And we did get pizza, and I have to say, it was pretty good. Good news for my Starbucks lovers, there's a Starbucks on site. And if you want to get your adult drink on, head on over to Bar Aventura. I cannot end this video without showing you the rooftop bar and dining. This is absolutely Aventura's most popular feature. Even if you don't stay at the Aventura, this is still a great place to enjoy a meal, have some drinks, and just enjoy this gorgeous view of the city. Even the locals come here just to hang out. It's a perfect place to catch the sunset.
Here on floor 17 of the Aventura Hotel, there is an excellent view of Universal Studios. Orlando has two fun spots. There's one of them. And there's a Ferris wheel. They have one of those slingshots. And they say they also put in a swing of some sort. So that's something I would definitely love to check out someday.
And if you have to pick up your Universal Studios tickets, you can conveniently pick them up at their vacation center. Feel free to contact me at Happily Evers After Vacations for a free vacation quote. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more vacation tips. Now, who's ready to go to Universal Studios? Come on, what are you waiting for? Your adventure awaits.